CCl4 Lewis structure or carbon tetrachloride Lewis structure. First, find out the total valence electron in carbon tetrachloride. Carbon has 4 valence electron and chlorine has 7 valence electron. But here we have 4 chlorine, so multiply by 4. So 4 plus 28, that gives us 32 totally valence electron. This 32 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for each atom. For connecting, just place 2 dot for each connection. So we have used 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electron just for connection. Now we'll satisfy the octet. So 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. We have used 32 valence electron. Now check for octet. Octet, 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 octet. At last, check for the central atom. Octet. Here carbon is a central atom because carbon is least electronegative and it has higher bond capacity. Carbon has 4 valence electron, so to fulfill its octet, it will share 4 electron. That is, it will form 4 bond. Carbon has chlorine has 7 valence electrons, so to fulfill its octet, it will share one. It will share 1 electron. That is why it will form 1 bond.